I just got to the art supply library, totally assuming it would be empty and need a little refill. So I grabbed these little colored pencils to put in it. And look, I opened it up and it's full. And the thing I'm most excited about, other than these vintage Crayolas, which are fun and I'm gonna look at closer, is all of this paper. Looks like a bunch of notepads, charcoal paper, tracing paper, airbrush paper, cool. Pastel pad, drawing paper. Okay, so there's a lot of paper in the art supply library today if you need paper, which is always in demand because lots of people donate drawing supplies, but not a lot of people donate paper. So there's paper in the art supply library today. Come and get it. 3409 Iowa Avenue in St. Louis, Missouri.